Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn smart ways to clean and optimize your browser like a pro. Is your Chrome browser cluttered with too many bookmarks you don't even use anymore? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove single, multiple, or all bookmarks in seconds. Step 1. Open Bookmark Manager Launch. Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over Bookmarks and select Bookmark Manager to view all saved bookmarks. Step 2. Delete a single bookmark. Find the bookmark you want to remove or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click the three dots next to the bookmark and choose Delete to remove it instantly. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 3. Delete multiple bookmarks. Click one bookmark, then hold Ctrl or Command on Mac and select multiple items. Once selected, press Delete to remove all chosen bookmarks at once. Step 4. Delete all bookmarks at once. Press Ctrl+A inside the Bookmark Manager to select everything instantly. Then click Delete to completely clear all bookmarks from your browser. And that's how you can quickly remove all bookmarks in Chrome and keep your browser clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful and easy tech tutorials.